Hi, this is Debbie Tambell. I wanted to show you how I make my dinner really quick. So I've been doing this lean and green, trying to eat healthier and stay on plan. So I'm going to do grilled chicken breasts in the Micro Pro Grill. And the Micro Pro Grill is super easy. You don't need to have any oil. You can put oil though, but it has a top and a bottom. And I'm going to put chicken breasts in the grill. I just put salt and pepper, but you can put whatever seasonings you want on it. Salt and pepper. And then there's two settings in the grill. One is Hydro. Hi Brianna. Oh, this is neat. Hi Carl. So this is the top, and you can go grill, which is all the way down, or you can go casserole sitting, where it just sits on top. So you're gonna put it in, and you make sure it's touching the chicken, because whatever you're touching is what's grilling. And it's funny because there's this whole controversy about whether you should warm up the grill or not. But my thing is that you should cook food in it if you're gonna put stuff in it. And if I put a piece of bread to toast it, nobody's gonna eat the bread. So that's wasting a piece of bread. So I don't do that. I just put it in for an extra minute to start with. So instead of 3 minutes on each side, I'll put it on 4 minutes. And it'll grill it. And then, hi Cynthia. Oh, this is pretty neat. Hi Roy. All these people, I can see them. But I'm supposed to be doing something else. That's why I was like, oh, I'm on Facebook already. So I'll do my dinner. But the grill, it looks like, how can you put metal inside the microwave? But it was specially shielded so the microwaves don't hit the food. So the microwave's not heating the food at all. It's just a grill, and the grill heats up to 425 degrees. And if you go online, I think there's articles that tell you how it happens. I just tell everybody it's magic. But there's some kind of receptors that heat the plate up, and the plate heats the food up. So some people don't like cooking their food in a microwave because it'll get microwaves on it or whatever. Nobody I know is like that, but there are some people like that. But this one, the microwaves don't hit the food. It just hits the grill, makes it hot, and it cooks it, totally sears the food. Hi Janet, it was great seeing you today too. And some people don't have time to cook, eat healthy, but with the stuff that Tupperware has, it's really easy to cook faster. I brought my salad. This is the Fridge Smart, and this keeps the salad, the lettuce fresher. So if you look on the front, can you see? If you look on the front, it has different settings. So broccoli is a heavy breather, so it needs to breathe a lot. So you put it open all the way on the top so that the broccoli breathes. So when you leave it, a bag of broccoli in the refrigerator, it goes bad pretty quickly. But if you leave it in here and you leave it open all the way, the air circulates and it stays longer. So we do that demo all the time, where we put a bag of broccoli and we put a head of broccoli in here, and we take pictures of it. And you can look that up online too. But I don't like to waste food, so I don't do that. I just take everybody else's picture where they wasted their broccoli. We eat all our broccoli. So this is a way to keep your salad fresh. And some people are telling me, oh, there's only a couple of us. And I go, more so, you want to keep the vegetables. So you buy a whole bag of lettuce, and it goes bad right away if you don't put it in something. So this shows you how to keep the lettuce fresher longer. So we're going to have some salad with my chicken. I have to take up time because it takes a few minutes to cook the chicken. But normally you can go do whatever. You can go, I don't know, throw a little laundry in, or you can go play with your kids, play with your dog, play with your puppy, whatever you're doing. You can do it instead of standing there and frying the chicken and it splatter all over the place. You can also put hamburger in there and just put the lid on. We make pizza, You can take a piece of frozen pizza and put it in there, put it on the casserole setting, and it'll warm it up just like it was in the oven. But you don't have to warm up the whole oven to cook it. So that's pretty good. But then you can also do, I do a lasagna in there. That was the longest 4 minutes, yeah. Okay, so this is the chicken. It's cooking. You see it cooking? Yep, slid all the way down. You don't need oil to cook it because it cooks it well without oil and no added calories. The thing with the grill is the reason, and you press it down, the reason you turn it over, well, you do it for 3 minutes now. The reason you turn it over is some microwaves heat higher from the top and some microwaves heat higher from the bottom. So you don't know if you know yours. Mine, I think the bottom is hotter. No, the top is hotter and the bottom is like, so the top will be browner and the bottom won't be as brown. So if you just turn it halfway in between, like halfway through and turn it over, then it'll be brown on the same amount on each side. So that's why you do that. I have two different, I'll get the asparagus ready. We're going to do grilled asparagus too. Because just chicken and a salad isn't going to make it. You have to do some vegetable. So there's asparagus. I cleaned it already. I washed it already. And these cutting boards that they have in the catalog right now are great because you can use one for the chicken and you can use one for the green one, the green stuff. Because you don't want to put raw chicken on here or chicken on here that's not cooked. And then like that. That wouldn't be good. So this is kind of good. This is kind of good. I can kind of read what you're saying, and it's also very distracting. Drew, I love you. The cameraman is professional. This is the portal from Facebook. So it follows you wherever you go. Sometimes, most of the time. Sometimes it'll follow you. So you don't have to have somebody because I can't find somebody to help me most of the time. So that's right. And this is also a Tupperware knife. You can tell how well they're made. It goes all the way through. We're gonna need this. We're gonna need this to cut the chicken to show you how good it cooks. And I very seldom use paper towels because we have microfiber towels. So we want to save the environment. So we don't want to waste paper towels. So a lot of the stuff I do, I use the microfiber towels. I also use Clorox wipe because nowadays everything needs to be disinfected. This is the salad dressing, so you can measure your salad dressing so that you don't pour the whole container in. You can measure it and leave that on the side. Everything pre-measured makes it a lot easier. And then I just throw everything in the sink, and then my assistant will clean up the sink after I'm done. But this is almost done cooking. Oh, 7, 6. Can you see the timer? All I can see is comments over there. It's done. The other thing that's kind of funny is they tell you when you cook food, you should let it rest. I'm the one that did all the cooking. I don't know why it needs to rest. I'm the one that should be tired. So this is the chicken. You see how brown it is? Can you see how brown it is? And there's the juice from the chicken. So we'll make use of that and throw the asparagus in. It really browns it. See how it browns it? You can tell on the cover. The cover gets really hot too. Whatever is touching the food is what's going to get brown. Okay, so everybody wants to see if this actually cooked all the way through. This is when you're going like, I pray it cooked all the way through. No, it does. If it doesn't cook all the way through, see how cooked it is? Can you see? If it doesn't cook it all the way through, it even breaks up. It's already breaking apart. That's how cooked it is. It's nice and tender. It's not rubbery from being cooked in the microwave. It's just grilled. Let me see. Yep, really good. So there's the grilled chicken. I don't think you can cook it that fast on the stove. I should do that demo one time. I have somebody fry the chicken on the side while I cook mine in the microwave. You have to be careful because this gets really hot. I don't know if you can see how hot it gets. But it's the same thing. I just stir it around because some of it gets cooked more than others. It's hot. But it's also almost done. And you can leave the asparagus in as long as you want. It's up to you if you want it crunchy or you don't want it crunchy. I like mine halfway in between, so it's not too bad. But it's not, I just think that's really impressive. The first time I saw the demo, the lady was saying, I think 3 minutes on each side should be enough. And I was like, no, 3 minutes is not going to be enough. That chicken is going to be raw. And I was like one of the first people up at the table looking when she cut to see it was brown and it wasn't raw. It was cooked all the way through. Because I was like, there's no way that chicken could be cooked all the way. But it was. It was really good. And it's juicy. It's not rubbery like sometimes when you cook it. Okay, this is the asparagus. Is that not fast? Isn't that like super hot? Super hot. Isn't that super fast? It's cooked. It's browned. It's cooked. So in what? Less than 10 minutes? 11 minutes? 12 minutes? Whatever it is. I don't know. My dinner is done and ready to eat. And of course this is a Tupperware plate in case you're wondering. This is my Tupperware room, and nothing in here. Nothing's allowed in here that's not Tupperware, except forks maybe. Okay, that's my dinner, and I can go do what I'm supposed to do at 6 o'clock that I forgot I was supposed to do. Thank you for watching, and I still don't know how to turn this off. I think one of these days I'll figure it out. Thank you.